PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2019 hard PSLE math question? And the question goes, the figure is formed by 5 identical semicircles. What is the diameter of each semicircle? So in this case over here, step 1, we want to label what you don't know. So let us zoom this in and let us put some labels. So this would then be A, and then this would then be B. But the thing is that since the spacing is actually the same because it is just in reverse, that means this space will then be B and this space will then be A. So once we have these two labels down, the next step is to create equations. So in this case over here, this is the whole diameter of the semicircle. So the diameter is then equal to 21 plus A. Let's move on to the next diameter, which is basically A plus 12 plus B. And let's move on to the last part, which is in the middle, which is equal to B plus 16 plus B, which is equal to 16 plus 2B. So the thing is that we have three equations. Which equations should you choose? So for me, if you were to see the same number or same algebra number, right, in this case, it's just 1A and 1A. These are the two equations we should use to solve this by just having these two equations to equal to each other because all of them are equal to the diameter. And from here, you can actually solve this. So you can cancel both A and then that will leave us to B is equal to 10, right? Now, we know that B is equal to 10. Can we solve this diameter question? Yes, we can. Since we know B, then the third equation, which is 16 plus 2B, will then equal to 36 centimeter, which gives us the answer for the diameter of the semicircle. But one more thing, step number 4, which is to double check, right? If you don't double check, you might get careless mistake and you might get this question wrong. Since we have the two equations, we can double check by just putting in the value. So for the equation diameter equal to 22 plus A, we can just say A is equal to diameter minus 22. So A will then be 36 minus 22, which is 14. Since we know the value of A, which is 14, then we can double check whether diameter is equal to 36. So in this case, 14 plus 12 plus 10, it is equal to, very good, 36. And once we double check, that means this is correct. And you can rest assured that this question, you got it in the bag. And that's how you solve this hard PSLE math question.